Today, we're going to talk about one of the trickiest parts of any research project. Really getting a handle on not just one side of a story, but all of them. We're going to turn that challenge of sifting through different viewpoints into your own research superpower. You know that feeling, right? You get the assignment, you open up a blank document, and that feeling of, oh my gosh, where do I even start, just washes over you. What topic do I even pick? Yeah, we've all been there. I mean, the internet has everything, but trying to find sources that are actually credible and give you the whole picture, not just some biased take, that's the real mountain to climb.
It's a classic struggle, for sure. But today, we're going to tackle it head on. We're moving from that scary blank page to a place where you've got clarity and some really big ideas.
But what if there was one place, one tool, designed to help you find a topic, explore every single angle with sources you can trust, and even help you with citations? Well, guess what? There is. Let me introduce you to your new best friend for research, the Opposing Viewpoints database.
So here's our plan. First, we're going to find that perfect topic. Then we'll dive in and explore it from all sides. After that, I'll show you some amazing accessibility tools, and we'll learn how to save and cite your work like a total pro. By the end of this, your research game is going to be on a whole new level.
Okay, first things first, you gotta have a great topic. Let's look at how you can go from just a general idea to a really focused research question in just a couple of clicks.
All right, we are now inside the Opposing Viewpoints database. You know, the best place to start, especially if you're not sure what you want to write about, is this Browse Issues feature.
So instead of just guessing a search term and hoping for the best, the strategy here is to start broad. By picking a big category like health and medicine, you get this fantastic bird's eye view of all the different topics hiding inside. And from there, the database gives you this much tighter, alphabetized list of issues. You can literally just scroll through and pick something that looks interesting, like, say, alternative medicine. No more guesswork. It's that easy. Okay, so we've got our topic. Now for the fun part, exploring all the amazing resources the database has already pulled together for us. This is where you really start to see the whole story. Now, the key to finding your way around is this On This Page menu. Seriously, think of it like your mission control for this topic. It organizes everything by the type of source and even tells you how many of each there are. Super helpful. So what are all these different things? Well, viewpoints are your classic pro and con essays, perfect for understanding a debate. Academic journals are where you find that serious, peer-reviewed research. Reference articles give you great background info, and statistics have all the charts and data you could want. Plus, of course, you've got news and magazines for what's happening right now. Let's actually see how it works. Say we need some hard data for a paper. We just click on statistics, and boom, the page instantly filters to show us just those. From there, we just pick a title that looks good and dive right in. Okay, next up, let's look at how this platform makes research easier for absolutely everyone. It has this incredible set of tools built right in, and they're all designed to help you work with the material in whatever way is best for you. You ever find an amazing article, but the font is tiny or the layout is just hard to look at? Or maybe you wish you could just translate a key sentence really quickly. Well, this database has tools for exactly that. And these tools are so powerful. On the left, you've got the translation feature. It supports dozens of languages. And on the right, look at these display settings. You can change the font. There's even one specifically for dyslexia. You can tweak the colors, and you can adjust the spacing to make any article way easier on the eyes. Now, for a real pro tip, you see that little listen button? That is a text-to-speech feature that will read any article out loud to you. This is an absolute game changer if you're an auditory learner or, hey, if you just want to multitask. And it gets even better. You can actually customize the whole listening experience. You can choose to have it highlight the text by word, by sentence, or even both at the same time. It's fantastic for keeping you focused and helping you absorb the information. And just when you thought that was cool, check this out. You can download an MP3 file of the audio. That means you can literally take your research with you and listen to it on the bus, at the gym, wherever. How awesome is that? Okay, so you've found your topic, you've explored the sources, you've analyzed everything. Now let's talk about the home stretch. How to wrap up your research session efficiently and, like a pro. Here's your simple 3-step checklist to do before you log off. First, save your articles straight to the cloud. Google Drive, OneDrive, whatever you use. Second, download a copy for your own computer if you want. And third, and this is the big one, generate your citation.
The citation tool is, and I'm not exaggerating, an absolute lifesaver. With just one click, it creates a full citation for your source in all the major formats: MLA, APA, Chicago, you name it. This saves so much time and helps you dodge those annoying formatting mistakes. Now, here's the crucial part, so listen up. While these generators are amazing, they aren't always 100% perfect. So you always want to take a second to double-check the citation it gives you against your style guide. It's a tiny step that makes sure everything is accurate.
And there you have it. We've gone from staring at that blank page to having a powerful research workflow. You're now ready to not only find your perfect topic and manage all your sources, but to really truly see every side of an issue. Your research isn't just going to be faster, it's going to be smarter.